Alright guys, so this is our sound module, engine sound module, and right now we'll be unboxing it, and after that we will install it before doing our trail later. Alright, so to be honest, I'm new to this RC stuff and I don't know what I'm doing or how to install this, so let's see if I will be able to make this work. Okay, there it is. Okay. Cool. So that's one. All right. So let's see what we got. We have speakers to that, and we got the actual engine sound module, and we got the manual how to install it. That's good. And we have the splitter. So yeah, I believe this the one connects to the ESC, and then this one is to the throttle controller, and then this one's to the sound module. And it has three double-sided tape, which is for the sound module and the two speakers. So I'm going to read the instructions and we'll start to install them. Alright, so let's open up the hood. In this case, since this is an RC, let's open up the body. Okay, so first thing you need to do is find the throttle connection from the ESC to the receiver. So this is for the 4107. Yeah, again, you trace the throttle controller, and I think this is the one which is in channel number 2. So let's remove that. Going to remove this first one first. Remove this one. Just make sure when you put it back on, it's the same location. Alright, so remember the white is in the right side, so that's what we will do. Okay, so that's now done, and yellow is also in the right side, just like the rest of them. Okay, so now we end up with a splitter. So what we will do is connect the throttle controller that we removed earlier from the ESC. So again, white on white, red on red, black on black there, and we will put the connect this one to the other side, same directions, same color. Alright, so as you can see, so just to repeat, we got that connected, also the ESC is connected and going to the receiver. Alright, so since all is that done, it's time to test. Alright, let's go ahead and test that right now. Alright, moment of truth. Already connected the battery, and it's time to turn on the unit. Oh shit, so loud, fuck. So I have to lower the volume because my son is sleeping. So we'll actually have to move somewhere else to do some check. Alright, so we are now outside. We have to move outside because it's really loud, even with the lowest volume. My kid is sleeping, so yeah, let's do it here. Nice. Sounds really nice. It's perfect fit for the diesel engine. Let's increase the volume. Awesome. And so I'm glad the sound of the brake is not in reverse. So yeah, it actually is, the brakes sound makes that sound when you're trying to stop. Sometimes when you go forward, the brake sound turns on. So I'm actually glad it's not like that. I like that sound. And let's make it really louder, full volume. That's really loud. Okay, let's turn that down for now. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test other different sounds. Next one. It's more of an aggressive race car. Yeah, that's another diesel sound. So I like this. It has a lot of diesel sound. It's really a good buy. This is more of a muffled sound. So this is a diesel one, but it's a bit quieter, if that's the word. Yeah. So yeah, I guess we're done with the loop. That was the first sound actually. I think I'm gonna go for this sound. It's more of a period correct, like a noisy diesel sound. So we'll go for that one. All right, we'll turn that off for now, and yeah, I'll try to figure out where to put all these things because it's not really clean. As you can see, the body is really dirty for now, and I don't want to tape things there when it's dirty. So yeah, I'll do that later, but I'm gonna play now or yeah, later today. So just gonna temporarily place them.
Okay. Kadiat lang. Wala, tumbala na. Kinamanda. Kinamanda. La 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 la. La la la. Ooh. See? Oh. What do you mean? Dili, ang FJ to. Gisamara nako. Ang F Yeah.